This is a Dell computer. It's 6 years old. It runs Windows 10. I use Windows 11 hardware compatibility checker. No TPM 2.0. Unsupported processor. So how do I upgrade to Windows 11? Here's what this computer has to say. A Dell desktop. Follow these steps to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on a computer with unsupported hardware. Download the latest version of Windows 11 from the Microsoft website. Download Windows 11 disk image. Download Windows 11 English. This is the downloaded file. Next, use a tool called Rufus to create a bootable Windows 11 installer. Download the latest version. Rufus helps you customize your Windows 11 installer. Here are the two files after downloading. You need an additional drive, USB drive. This is the USB drive I used in this case. Double-click on the file named Rufus. Select the USB drive from the list. Browse to the file named Windows 11 downloaded in the previous step. Start. This is the most awaited step in this video. Customize the Windows 11 installer. Allow upgrade to Windows 11 for unsupported hardware. Upgrade Windows 11 with non-TPM 2.0 hardware. Erase all data on the USB drive. After about 20 minutes of waiting for it to complete. Here are the steps to upgrade this computer to Windows 11. Browse the files on the USB drive. Double-click on the executable. Install Windows 11. Change how setup downloads updates. Not right now. Allow upgrade to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Change what to keep. I upgraded Windows 11 without losing data in application. Next, install Windows 11. Install. Then you wait about 30 minutes to complete. The above are the steps to upgrade to Windows 11 on a Dell computer with unsupported hardware. Thank you for watching. Good luck. And here is the result. The Dell computer has been upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11.